While you are standing, because I was going to ask you to stand up, I would like to make a very special request to all of you before I say anything. May I kindly request us to observe 2 minutes of silence in honor of Albert Ojwang, whom we lost last week. And also because this month of June, for us in Kenya, is now becoming what we consider the Gen Z month. Let us also observe the 2 minutes of silence in honor of the lives of our young people we lost during the Gen Z uprising last year. Thank you very much. You may be seated. Good afternoon. Baria Jioni. Allow me first of all to say this. Sometimes, and you will understand this when I get underway, there are things in your life that frankly overwhelm you and intimidate you because you don't expect them. And even in your wildest imagination, you don't hope that they would happen. And I'm going to describe some of those.